Hope all you are well. So this is my daily task tracker which I am going to share with all of you. Here as you can see the total tasks, completed one, in progress, on hold, and this is the function I have put it will be automatically the today's date. Here it will be printed, and if you write something in my text cell, let me write something like run, then the check marks will be automatically checked. Yes, as you can see, and here is the drop down menu for the priority one. If you choose it high, then it will be gone high. And here if you choose the category like other, then as you can see this thing tax per category will be also changed based on this. And if you choose the status something like this like not start, then choose the due date here, like I'm gonna choose this day 10th July. You can see it's automatically fit like due in one day. And if I choose some past day like 7 July 2025, it will show a red light like you have to do it fast or it's a overdue for you. And you can see the priority one, how much priority in which section, like in low 3, high 3, and medium 2. So that's it. If you want this sheet you can comment me and I will share this with you. So thanks you for watching. Meet you in the next video. Have a good day.